Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video I will show you how I made this popcorn cake. This is no bake popcorn cake, very easy to make. You can see the taste is awesome. Why don't you give it a try? Please watch to the end and see how it looks. So nice. Hope you'll get to try this. This is very easy snack you can make on your own. Here I'm using 500 grams of already popped corn. This is plain popcorn. I'm adding 1 cup of condensed milk, 100 grams of butter, unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always coming by. Thank you. I do appreciate. You can see already mixed. I'm using this parchment paper for this cake, and I'm using this 10 cm round mold. So I'll be using this to press it down to mash it and make it more firm. You can see. This is no bake popcorn cake. Hope you get to try this. This is very easy recipe you can do within 5 minutes. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to GLAATORY channel and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, okay? You can see how it turned out. So I'll be using this like a kind of mold to keep it so that it doesn't scatter. So remember to like my video, subscribe, and please comment and share. You can see. So I'll be freezing it for 2 hours. Okay, this is after 2 hours in the freezer. It's very firm now. You can see. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy snack. You can make it on your own. It's amazing. So yummy. So remember, if you have not subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Why don't you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see my video. Okay? Remember to like my video, please comment and also share. You can see how it turned out. Hope you'll get to try this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.